MCQs 83 is a physical therapist assistant reading the prior documentation for a patient that she is about to treat notices that the patient has dysphagia. What should the PTA do? Option D is correct. Be cautious when giving the patient food or drink. Dysphagia means difficulty in swallowing. ठीक है, इस वजह से हम जो है पेशेंट के खाने पीने का जो है वो ध्यान रखेंगे और इसमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन जो है उसको डिस्फेगिया से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है. ठीक है, सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. Next MCQs is physiotherapy management of spondylolisthesis excludes. Option A is correct. Back extension exercises. ठीक है, इसको हम निकाल देंगे. MCQs 85 is locking position of a shoulder joint is. Option B is correct. External rotation, abduction and internal rotation. ये locking position है shoulder joint की. So option B is correct. Cardiac pain does not referred. A above the ear, B below the umbilicus, C above the ear and below the umbilicus, D to the opposite shoulder. Option C is correct. Above the ear and below the umbilicus. MCQs 87 is a therapist measures a patient for a straight cane prior to beginning ambulation activities. Which cross measurement method would provide the best estimate of cane length? Option C is correct. Measuring from the great trochanter. Great की spelling यहाँ पे गलत लिखे हुए हैं. Greater trochanter straight to the floor. Option C is correct. Patients with spinocerebellar tract lesion will lack. Option B is correct. Ipsilateral upper limb and trunk control. Which is not a self-drainage procedure? A. FET means forced expiratory technique. B. ACPT means एक्टिव साइकिल ऑफ ब्रीथिंग टेक्निक. सी ऑटोजेनिक ड्रेनेज. ये जो फर्स्ट थ्री हैं ये तीनों सेल्फ ड्रेनेज प्रोसीजर हैं. अब हमने बताना है विच इज़ नॉट अ सेल्फ ड्रेनेज प्रोसीजर. सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. प्रोन ऑन एल्बो. दिस इज नॉट अ सेल्फ ड्रेनेज प्रोसीजर. If a patient has a heart rate of 60 beats per minute and a stroke volume of 0.1 liter, what is the patient's cardiac output? Option B is correct. 6 L per minute. Next MCQs is the function of meniscus is dash. Shock absorber, lubrication, nutrition, load distribution या D all. All. Option D is correct. All of the above. Because meniscus जो है वो shock absorber भी है, lubrication, nutrition भी है and load distribution भी करता है. The cervical lordosis is due to dash. Option A is correct. Wedge shape IVD with greater anterior height. IVD stands for intervertebral disc. A therapist examines a patient with C5 spinal cord injury. A realistic goal for the patient is. Option B is correct. Forward raise in wheelchair using loops for pressure relief. Dislocation of the vertebra is uncommon in thoracic region because. Option B is correct. The vertebral body is long. A 25-year-old female 6 days post-cesarean delivery has been referred to you for training in proper posture and body mechanics. Which of the following would be the proper instruction for body mechanics for a post-cesarean patient? Option D is correct. When getting up from a lying down position, the patient should roll over to the side, swinging the legs over the edge and getting up slowly. ठीक है, सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. और वैसे भी नॉर्मल पोजीशन यही होनी चाहिए. जब भी उठना चाहिए ऐसे ही उठना चाहिए. सो द नेक्स्ट MCQs इज व्हाट आर द चक्रास. सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. एनर्जी सेंटर्स आर कॉल्ड चक्रास. MCQs 97 is nerve conduction velocity for lower limb nerves are. Option B is correct. 40 to 55 meter per second. A patient rehabilitation hospital confines to her therapist that she has been physically abused by her husband in the past and is concerned about returning home following discharge. The most appropriate therapist action is on. Option A is correct. Call Adult Protective Services. What is the key force couple in the scapular motion? Option C is correct. Trapezius and serratus anterior. MCQs 100 is which chest lead assess right ventricle. Option A is correct. V1, V2. So our 100 MCQs is complete today. और हमारा practice test 2 complete हो गया है. ये इसका part 4 है. So I'm going to upload it and stay connected for the next practice test and next sections. Next video में इंशाल्लाह मैं आपको practice test 3 करवाऊँगी. So stay in touch and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.